Hello friends, welcome back to Noel Craft as we crochet a basic crochet cord. I'm using 2 strands of yarn and that is acrylic medium. Make a slip stitch and crochet a chain with 1 stitch. In your very first slip stitch, insert your hook and crochet a stitch. We will now crochet through the 2 stitches. On the last stitch of the 2, insert your hook, pull through, then crochet through the 2 stitches on the hook. We are going to repeat what we just did. On the last stitch of the 2, insert your hook, pull through, then crochet through the 2 stitches on your hook. Let's repeat this. On the last stitch of the 2, insert your hook, pull through, then crochet through the 2 stitches you've made on your hook. We are going to repeat this process until our cord is long enough. We are not going to change anything. That's why it's called a basic crochet cord, because it's not that complicated. So easy, you repeat until you have your desired length. So guys, this is how easy it is to crochet a basic crochet cord. Thank you so much for watching to this end. Please subscribe to Noel Crafts. Until next time, bye bye.